Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Check macOS version and backup mail so nothing is lost. Once done, open the Mail app and choose Mail settings. Make sure you have your email passwords and server details ready. If you use two-factor authentication, get an app code or app-specific password. Now select Accounts to see Configured Accounts. This is the first actionable step. Access accounts so you can add, remove, or edit settings without delay. Next, select the account you need to update and inspect incoming and outgoing server details. This is where most delivery problems originate. Update the password or switch to OAuth if the provider supports it, and enter an app-specific password for accounts using two-factor authentication. Make sure ports and SSL/TLS settings match your provider's recommendations. Once you save changes, send a test message. Also review mailbox behaviors to keep folders synced and reduce duplicate or missing messages. Finally, force a sync or restart mail to apply updates and verify messages arrive. If mail looks incomplete, rebuild the mailbox to refresh message indexing and headers. Make sure Spotlight indexing is enabled so mail can search correctly. If problems persist, remove and re-add the account. This refreshes server settings and local caches. One key troubleshooting tip: if errors continue, check the email provider's service status and confirm credentials on the web to rule out server side blocks or suspension.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.